Magandang araw sa inyong lahat guys. Breaking news tayo ngayon. Si expelled lawmaker Arnulfo Teves was arrested Tuesday night sa kanyang tinitirahang bahay sa Dili, Timor-Leste. Si Teves ay isang congressman ng 3rd District ng Negros Oriental and was tagged as the mastermind sa pagpatay kay Governor Roel Digamo noong 2023. Siya ay umalis ng bansa at nag-apply sa Timor-Leste ng political asylum. Sa isang 10-second video na ipapakita ko ay makikita natin na pinipilit siyang palabasin ng mga Timor-Leste police and immigration officers sa kanyang tinitirahang bahay.
Lord!
Itong susunod na video naman ay nananawagan ng kanyang anak na ipakalat daw ang video sa pagkahuli ng kanyang ama. Sabi pa niya na ito isang kidnapping at kinukumpara niya ang pagkahuli ng kanyang ama sa pagkahuli kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Greetings everyone. I'm making this video to inform everyone that my father, Arnie Teves, has been kidnapped earlier today at around 8 p.m. Timor-Leste time. At around 7 p.m. he already had information that a private aircraft was scheduled to fly over to Timor-Leste. And then at 8 p.m. immigration officers arrived at his residence and picked him up. They just picked him up without documents, without warrants, or any form of legal documents. They just came in forcefully. They took him out forcefully. And right now, as we speak, he is still in the immigration building in Timor-Leste, being held illegally by the immigration officers, also surrounded by Timorese police. He is asking me to inform everybody about this situation, and he is calling out, we, the family, including my father, is calling out to UN Human Rights, and I personally am calling to every department all over the world. Please help us. My father already won the case against the extradition, and then they filed a motion for reconsideration for the previous decision made by the Timorese court. And then again, the Timorese court ruled in favor of my father. So supposed to be, he should be in Timor, living peacefully and safely. But we were shocked to see that just last night, he was illegally kidnapped and is now illegally detained, together with his lawyers. They were a little harmed in the process, including the lawyer. And I will be posting, as per his request, I will be posting a video of him and a video of the incident when they illegally kidnapped and picked him up.
So guys, what can you say sa kanyang pagkahuli? Is it justice or political persecution? Kayo na guys ang sasagot sa tanong ko. Hanggang dito na lang at magandang umaga ulit.